guys, Approving Smile here with another Minecraft video, and today we are gonna do a glitch on Minecraft. I'm trying to get out of this hole. Hold on. All you need is TNT, one piston, I don't know why I have to, one piston, and a lever. And then you have to make this. Oh, cool, that was cool. Okay, and you have to get in here, and then put on the lever. Then you can see everything. Lava pit. I don't wanna hit it. And everything. Ooh, is that butter I see? Iron. I think that's diamond. See, diamond already, I think. Maybe. Lava everywhere. Coal. You can see everything. And you can put it on the sides. Hold on. Let me get this out. Okay. And let me do this. And actually that's good. I just want to block this off because it's annoying. Okay. Let me get a torch, hold on. One more. Awesome. So dark. You guys can see. Yeah. Oh. Well, with the light you can barely see. That's confusing. Okay. I'm going to take the light off just so you guys can see. Okay. I can see too, so that's good. That is always good. Okay, that and that. Okay, that's good. Put that there. I'm gonna break this down because I feel like it. No, not the light. Okay, ready. So put that down. Put that down. No, that's too tall. Oh no. Dirt. Okay. Put that down, and that. That's perfect. And banana. No, too tall as well. Ah, no. Good, darn it. Okay. Break that. I think this is an awesome glitch, so yeah. You can always pull it down and see what's on this side. Or on this side. Let me get my hand out. Oh cool, I never knew that. Hey look, what is that? Chicken! Jeffrey, what up? What up? I'm a Tom, yeah. I'm gonna call cows Tom now. Yeah, I'm a Tom. Oh. Okay, so, yeah. Okay, now this way with lava, and that, and chicken. Or this. So I think this is a cool glitch, and this is gonna be the end of the video. See you guys later next time. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please press that like button and subscribe. Peace out, guys.